This is the CAS Fly. This is one of the ultimate sink bridges. It's even advertised as such on the website. If you haven't had a chance to see it, you can already tell I'm having fun using it. So the CAS Fly itself, you can hear it's industrial. The weight of it is substantial. It is built like a tank. It will last forever. Your great-grandchildren will be using it as you pass it down through the family. You can see that it moves freely. It's just quality made. The only downfall is it did not come with feet on it. It has a pad that came with it. You have two. You can cut them however you like. They were basically meant for you to put here. So that way, when you apply it, it does not damage the inside of your sink. You can use it for whatever you want. There are no instructions as to what you were to do. I personally wish that it already came on there for the amount of money, $171 US. They really should have done their work. This is a Porsche. I'm proud to have it. And I just want to show you that whether you want to fit everything to one end of the sink or the other, you can. You'll notice I have everything from a Japanese natural stone, which has an odd shape. It'll fit. You'll notice the Marashi stone, the Katayama, very famous, 8,000, of course. If we go to something like even the Naniwa, the humongous Dabato, no problems whatsoever. And even the lovely green brick of joy. I mean, it accommodates everything, no problems. Once you get it in and you get everything substantially done, tighten it up. You can see these beautiful hinges. They work so amazing. You can get that as tight as you need it. The stone's not going anywhere. Boom, boom, boom. And look, if I come in, press hard, really get it tight, like amazing, okay? So, again, the only downfall I thought was I would have loved for it not to slide back and forth if you had it on the counter. It's a sink bridge. Why would you have it on the counter? So, anyway, so there you go. The most expensive, industrial built, literally here to stand the test of time, CAS Fly, the ultimate of all ultimate sink bridges. Please, if you buy one, enjoy it forever. Thank you and God bless.